Hey guys, all right, so we grabbed the bikes and we are headed back down to Hollywood, Florida, the Boardwalk, and to go grab some lunch, so come along with us. Hey, I'm Pam, and this is my husband Audie. Together we are Salty Devotions. We sold almost everything we own, moved from Louisiana to the beautiful blue waters of Florida to eventually live out our dream and buy a sailboat. So come along with us for this adventure. Alright, so we just got the bikes out of the car and we went to a really nice boardwalk park. It's called Hollywood Beach Park, I believe. And so we are headed to the boardwalk. Audie's ahead of me, and we're gonna go try and find some lunch. And we are about to enter the boardwalk area. And I don't know if you can see the difference in the street, but the brick area is for people to walk, and then where we're at is where you ride your bikes. And there is the beautiful beach. And if I can get a view of it for you guys while I'm riding. But just hearing the sound of the waves crashing on the shore is relaxing. Audie's kind of pedaling at a slow pace. I'm about to run him over. He's got our little ice chest on the back of his bike and our beach towel in case we stop. So go sit on the beach for a while. We got some cold water and a Diet Coke for me. The boardwalk's already busy with lots of people out. See this little car look like coming up. They have a rental place here on the boardwalk. You can rent these different types of bikes. And here comes another type of bike that they rent. Right here. So those are pretty cool. You can rent those. We actually saw one not hand, and you can do the 1-seaters, 2-seaters, and they had a 3-seater that we saw yesterday. That's pretty cool, and I know you can rent them. I don't know all of it, but I know that you can rent starting at a half an hour and going up, and obviously the price increases with the amount of time that you want to keep it. They have a huge splash pad here for kids. It's really big. It's nice. This area we're about to enter, I feel like is the busiest part of the boardwalk. Some people were walking in the bike lane, and so another biker honked their little horn at them to get out of the bike lane. Again, there's 2 designated areas, one for walking and one for bikes. We are about to be, we're directly behind Margaritaville. To me, this is a really nice area of the boardwalk. There's a lot of things going on, a lot of people, a lot of traffic, a lot of restaurants, music, band. I really like this area of the boardwalk.
Alright, we got the bikes all locked up and secured, and we are going to Marco's Deli to get a Cuban sandwich, and Pam's getting a pina colada. Hope it's good.
So I got a pina colada and a coconut. Look at this. Let's see how it tastes. That's good.
Yeah, baby. Goza, goza.
Alright, we just had lunch, had a great Cuban sandwich. And Pam loved her pina colada. It was really good. And we're back on the bikes. See what else we can get into.
Ay, qué rico. Yo te traigo, escucha mi descarga. Yo te traigo. Eso es. Habla. Yo te traigo, escucha mi descarga. Sí, sí. Yo te traigo. Si yo te traigo, mamá, yo te traigo. Ajá. Escucha mi descarga. Yo te traigo. Escúchalo, 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 dice. Yo te traigo, escucha mi descarga. Yo te traigo. Y te lo juro, baby, que yo te traigo. Ajá. Tony. La gente del barrio.
Up in the top of the palm trees, you can see the coconuts. And how breezy it is also. Very breezy today. The wind is rolling. I don't know if you can see the whitecaps coming in off the surf. We're gonna go.
So this is a novel idea. So I thought these were like planters, but they're actually garbage cans if you look inside to help keep the beach clean. Great idea.
None of that, the wind won't blow the trash can down the street.
Correct.
Pam says it's cold with the overcast day.
Woo! Man, that's cool.
Smile, look at the camera. Back to the bikes.
I am rinsing my feet. I just love this thing here. Look at it. Cleans your feet all up.
Alright, this is where the boardwalk kind of turns into back into the park. And we're heading back now.
Hey guys, so thanks for watching our video. We had a great time in Hollywood, Florida. See you next week.